Here is the easiest demonstration of all time. All you have to do is lift up with your bare hands on the seat bottom. That's right, lift up, no special tools required, and that entire seat bottom comes off the car. Then you can remove one single seatbelt receptacle and remove that entire seat bottom out of the car and out of your space, so you can move on to doing something like replacing your fuel pump. Okay, first we're going to remove this Torx bolt. This is a T50, so we can remove the seatbelt receptacle here on the driver's side rear. That will release the seatbelt so we can move the seat out of the way. And that's going to give us a lot more space to work.